Hi, this is Greg of BBQ Outlets, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Blaze Professional Series Grill. It's a well-engineered unit that's designed to last a lifetime. Blaze Professional Series grills focus on having quality where it counts. Their octagonal cast stainless steel cooking grids are 3/16 of an inch thick, and they have heat trays that are 10-gauge stainless steel. Their cast stainless steel burners also enable the grill to reach a top temperature of around 900 degrees. So one of the things I personally like about this grill is it's got great versatility. It's got a lot of cooking surface area, so whether you're looking to do bigger roasts or just looking to feed a large group, you have plenty of space to do it. So, for a professional grill without a professional price tag, add a Blaze Professional Grill to your outdoor kitchen.